PMSA is the leading and largest manufacturer and supplier in Africa of a complete range of concrete equipment including brick, block and paving making machinery and technology. The company specializes in a comprehensive range of brick and block making machinery, from startup to large-scale plants such as the RE1400 with associated plant equipment. The largest brick and block making machine manufactured by PMSA is the RE1400. It features a production board size of up to 1400 by 950 mm, while the RE1400 Lite has a board size of 1400 by 840 mm. Plants can be designed for either wood or steel production boards. The RE1400 boasts a production capacity of up to 165,000 bricks per 9-hour production shift. The plants are available with a range of configurations for the batching, wet and dry side product handling and production board handling, all with full automation capabilities depending on the client's requirements. To manufacture concrete products on a large industrial scale, materials first need to be weighed off before loaded into the pan mixer. Two options are available: the aggregates bin and weigh belt system, or the bulkhead and boom scraper. The bulkhead is available with either a 3 or 4 star compartment bulkhead separating the different aggregates. The boom scraper is used to keep the individual aggregate compartments full above the discharge gates. Air cannons are used to ensure the free movement of finer aggregates that are more prone to sticking. Any moisture in the aggregate is compensated for through the use of a Ludwig microwave moisture measurement probe. The discharge mechanism from the bulkhead is through a pneumatic discharge gate, filling the aggregate scale which accurately weighs off the materials before being discharged into the loader skip. The loader skip is then hoisted up for discharge into the pan mixer, which is typically a 1500 or 2000 litre counter-current pan mixer. The cement, stored in bulk 100 or 200 ton silos, is drawn into a cement scale from the silo using cement screws, where it is weighed and discharged into the mixer. Lastly, water is measured off through an automated water meter. After thorough mixing, the finished concrete mix is discharged to the block machine. The mixers can be placed directly over the RE1400 block machine, or optional travel bins are available. The feeder box folds the concrete mix into the mold box. The high-performance hydraulic system using pneumatic mold clamping, proportional hydraulic control and high-temper weights highly compacts the concrete mix into the mold box. The RE1400 comes standard with linear transducers and servo-proportional hydraulic valves, with high-performance hydraulic operation for closed-loop control. 2 or 4 7.5 kilowatt shaft vibrators allow for vertical directional vibration, while the variable speed drive gives you frequency control. The molds on the RE1400 can swiftly and effortlessly be changed using the mold changing arm to ensure speedy turnaround times when switching between the manufacture of hollow bricks, pavers, retaining wall and decking blocks, concrete curbstones and building bricks. While the machine is in operation, machine parameters can be changed using a touchscreen interface on the control desk. This allows instant adaptation to changing moisture content and aggregate consistency without ever having to stop your production. Newly formed wet products on the production boards can be pre-sprayed with a fine mist spray to add some additional surface water to the products if required. The plant is available with fully automated pallet and product handling. Once out of the RE1400, the wet side conveying system transports the production board and wet product to the stacker for curing. Once a full set of production boards have been accumulated, the finger and transfer car transfers them into the curing racks and chamber. PMSA supplies a full range of racking and curing solutions, including craft vapor generators, insulated chambers, and circulation systems to control humidity and temperature. The system is also available with a fast roll-up door for more effective climate control. After the initial curing in the curing chamber is complete, the product is removed from the racking system and taken to the destacker. Here, a block pusher is used to push the product together and center it accurately onto the board, ready for the pack ahead. Bricks or pavers are then packed and stacked using the pack ahead, which automatically stacks drywall products from the pallets into the correct pack size onto the slack conveyor, ready for strapping. Strapping can be manual or fully automated depending on the client's requirements. Manual strapping by hand is facilitated by using a slat conveyor, which has open slats allowing for easy feeding of the strapping material underneath the product packs. The slat conveyor moves the finished packs into the outside area, where the forklift fitted with a grab can easily lift it. The finished packs are then stored in a yard for further curing until the desired final strength is obtained. After the pack ahead, the empty production board or pallet is then moved along by chain conveyors cleaned with a rotary brush, sprayed to keep the moisture content on the board stable, and turned over to get an even use on both sides of the board. The production boards can be stacked by a swinger arm with vacuum pad or sent straight back to the RE1400 machine for immediate reuse. All RE1400 plants require a control room where the central control of all equipment and necessary machine parameters can be monitored via a supervisory control and data acquisition or SCADA system. This provides visual animated graphics of machine and plant operation. Machine parameter controls and data capture can be installed, which allows for remote control of the plant, in addition to retaining historic and daily data and information for management of the plant. Usually located directly above the control room in close proximity is the advanced electronic and electric control panels of the plant. All electronic and electric control panels supplied by PMSA are designed and manufactured in-house by PMSA. PMSA has a business philosophy of built to last. This is a customer-centric approach to business where the customer is assured of equipment that is designed and built to last for decades. We consistently invest in the latest business processes and best-in-class engineering machinery, people, and systems to make sure the PMSA business is built to last.